Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Soil and Margaritas. My name is Roxana and I am so glad that you're here. Today is just going to be an update of the seeds that I started in the last couple of weeks. If you want to see how I started the eucalyptus and LISIANTHUS and the onions, you can check some of my past videos and you can get all the info there. I am thinking actually that I can make this type of video update video for my seedlings on a weekly basis, but I am not sure. Would you guys like to see that on a weekly basis? I don't know. We'll see how that goes. So let me start by the eucalyptus and the LISIANTHUS. Okay, so these two right here are the eucalyptus and the LISIANTHUS that I started on January 21st. So about 2 weeks, just one day over 2 weeks is the growth that these guys have put in. Let me show you the LISIANTHUS first. There is no way that you can see this with the camera. There are some tiny dots of green that are coming through, and I mean they're like a dot. So I have about 12 of those dots coming over here. I hope that they make it. They're supposed to be really slow for germinating, so I'm hopeful for those. Now the eucalyptus, don't know that if you can see that. I got some I'll put the variety that this one is. I got the wrong kind of markers and it's washing away with the water when I spray it, but you can see right here, I don't know if you can, I got 1, 2, and 3 little seedlings here. They're very tiny, and on this side I got the baby blue. I have one little guy. Can you see that? They're right there. So I got those seeds from Etsy. It is what it is. I wasn't really, I didn't really have high expectations for these seeds because, you know, this came from Etsy, but these guys right here, those actually came from Johnny. So I'm hoping that they do okay. And these guys right over here on this side, they are more eucalyptus. Actually, the day after I started the eucalyptus on the 21st, I received more seeds from Park Seed. These are right here. I don't know if you can see that. And they are baby blue eucalyptus seeds. Apparently eucalyptus seeds were all the popular seeds this year. And I started those 2 days later. And I got 6 seeds over here. So far I have 3 of them coming right here. And these were started, like I said, 2 days later. So on the got it right here, on the 23rd. And look at that. I don't know if you can see the growth on those. Those are definitely quite bigger and taller than the other guys. So I am excited for those. I have been watering these guys almost on a daily basis because this room over here is kind of getting a little bit hot. So I am hopeful that they're going to continue growing and they're going to be doing okay. And the way that I have been watering is that I just, I just get these little trays here that comes with meat, packaged or vegetables, and I just water them from the bottom. And if they are not too wet, I give them just a little bit of spray. Now let's move back with the onions. And I actually just water the onions right now. So they might be leaking a little bit. But I don't know if you can see that. Like, look at that. I have a very good germination happening on all 3 kinds of different varieties of onions. And all these onions were planted on the 28th of January. Today is February 5th. So they have had all this growth that you see here on 8 days. Just 8 days ago, that's when all these onions were started. Look at that. And as I'm showing you in the video, the way that I water these guys is I just put all the water from underneath here, making sure that they have enough water. And I gotta be honest, putting the vermiculite on top confuses me a little bit With these guys, I can really tell when they are dry because they just kind of turn this lighter shade of brown. But with the vermiculite, they kind of stay brown on the top all the time, and I can't quite get it right when they need water or when they're a little bit too wet or not. So this is my first year starting with vermiculite, so we'll see how it goes. But that's basically it, you guys. I hope that this video was helpful to you. Have you started onions or eucalyptus or LISIANTHUS? Are you having good luck with those? Let me know in the comments, and also let me know what you think about doing these seedlings update type of video on a weekly basis. I mean, actually really interested to see if you guys would like me to do this or not. So that is it for this video. It was short, to the point, and until the next one.